Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about, is my adhesive ready? We have adhesive spread here side by side. This was freshly spread. You can see it's very wet. This adhesive was spread about 45 minutes ago, so it actually is starting to tack up and firm up. You don't want to go into the adhesive while it's still this wet. What will happen is you'll get overabsorption of your adhesive into the back of the carpet. This is particularly important if you're doing a double stick installation. When you allow the adhesive to firm up like this, it gives you a faster grab, faster leg development, makes your installation a lot easier. So make certain that your adhesive is ready before you install your broadloom carpet.